When it comes to managing inventory, you might be wondering, Doba versus Spocket, which is better? Both platforms promise to make your life easier, but which one really stands out for your inventory management needs? Let's dive into the key features and some important pros and cons to help you make the right choice. First thing, let's talk about product selection. Doba has been around for a while, providing access to a huge catalog of suppliers across various categories. Whether you're in electronics, fashion, or home goods, Doba's extensive selection is a strong point. However, while the range is vast, the actual product quality can be hit or miss. Some users report that certain suppliers on Doba don't always maintain consistent stock levels, which can lead to inventory issues. Next thing, we should look at Spocket's product sourcing. Spocket stands out for offering a more curated selection of suppliers, specifically focusing on suppliers from the US and Europe. This can lead to faster shipping times, which is a huge plus if you want to enhance your customer experience. However, while Spocket's supplier network is generally more reliable, the product catalog is smaller compared to Doba, so it might not meet the needs of businesses looking for a very wide range of products. Third, let's compare the ease of use. Doba's interface is relatively straightforward, but some users find it outdated. The user experience isn't as seamless as it could be, which could slow you down when you're trying to manage inventory and orders efficiently. On the flip side, Spocket's interface is sleek and modern, with an intuitive design that makes it easier to manage your store's inventory in real time. It's easy to search for products, manage orders, and track shipments, so if efficiency is a top priority, Spocket could be a better choice. Now, moving on to pricing and fees. Doba's pricing model is based on a monthly subscription fee that gives you access to their platform, but they also charge extra fees per product, which can quickly add up, especially if you have a large inventory. This makes it harder to scale your business without seeing your margins squeezed. Spocket has a more flexible pricing structure with a free plan that offers access to a limited product selection. However, their paid plans can be a bit pricey, especially when you factor in the cost of their premium products. That said, their US-based suppliers can help you cut down on shipping times, which is something you might be willing to pay a little more for. The fifth thing to consider is automation and integrations. Doba offers integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and eBay, but it's not as seamless or advanced as Spocket. Spocket, on the other hand, integrates directly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, and even allows for automatic order fulfillment. This means less manual work for you, which is ideal if you're managing multiple products and suppliers. The sixth thing is customer support. Doba offers email and phone support, but their response times can be inconsistent. It can sometimes feel like you're left hanging when you need urgent help. Spocket provides email support, and they're known for having a faster response time. While it might not be perfect, they do offer a more reliable service than Doba in this regard. So, which one is better for managing inventory, Doba or Spocket? Both platforms have their strengths, but they also have their drawbacks. If you need a wider product range and don't mind dealing with some inconsistencies in inventory, Doba might work for you. But if you're looking for a more reliable supplier network, faster shipping, and better platform integration, Spocket could be the better choice. However, after trying both platforms myself, I think there's a better alternative that takes the best aspects of both, with none of the drawbacks. If you're looking to optimize your inventory management and streamline your operations, I highly recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, don't wait. Click the link and start improving your inventory management today.